Hello guys! In today's warm-up, we practice all types of waves. We are doing our chest waves, hip waves, in diagonals, in front, lateral, we're doing our V shape. So go make some room, get some water, let's begin. Sensual, basic in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Lateral chest waves. Go. Chest. Rotational diagonal. Good. Back to the lateral. Stay in the chest, guys. Don't sink in. To the right diagonal. Lateral, finish, basic. 1, 2, 3. Give me a turn. 5, basic, good. Let's do full combined wave to the front. Finish, basic, good. Next time when I say front wave or rotational wave, choose the diagonal. If we're going to the left, it's going to be left. Right down. Here, basic, to the left. Let's go. Basic, basic again. Turn. Basic again, slide wave. Basic, good. Let's do the flick wave with the traveling wave. 1, 3, in place, basic. One more, good. Now we do lateral waves, same thing, combined waves. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In place, basic. Normal basic. 1, 2, 3. Lateral wave again. Boom. Combined wave. Basic. To the right lateral. 7. Finish your basic. 5, 6. Basic. Good. Let's do again. Flick with the traveling wave. Flick. The third. Traveling. Basic. Last time. Same thing. But one big wave instead. Flick. Wave. Basic. Nice. Alright, let's start combining. Start rotational wave. Go for the full combined wave. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. Again. Reverse. Finish. Basic. Same thing with the lateral wave, but in a V shape. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5. Pendulum. Let's go. 1. Reverse. Last time. Finish. Basic. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Turn and jump. Basic. Turn the other way and slide. In place, sensual. Good. Let's do chest waves again, lateral. Rotational left. Lateral again. Rotational right. Combined. Finish. Nice. All right, that was an amazing warm-up. Thank you so much for joining me. If you need more warm-up videos, go check out my Bachata warm-ups playlist. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel if you want to keep improving your bachata in the right direction. Thank you very much. BachaTUyYO signing out. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.